And all you fake out there who called me hashtag eyebrow queen in high school, you, because no, my eyebrows literally went out to my freaking hairline. I'm just jealous bitches like, oh yeah, keep drawing your eyebrows on hella thick, cutie, because you look good, even though you knew I looked bad. So honestly, fake.
Sugar pink, lick a lips. I'm gonna be a bubblegum bitch.
HUDA Accord 2, like this is exactly what his car is gonna look like.
What's up, guys? So if you can't tell by the title of the video already, I am going to be doing not a full face, but a face of new products, okay? Look at my nail. Do you see this? I was working this morning. I covered one of my coworkers' shifts because his little kitty is sick and had to go to the vet. And it was just a shipment shift, so I got in at 6 and we just, you know, restocked the whole store for, it was only a 4-hour shift. And literally at 9:50, my nail broke when I was unboxing a Fenty concealer. Thanks, Rihanna. Thanks, girl. I'm just kidding. You can do no harm. I'm so sorry. Anyway, so if you see that, I just want to apologize that I'm just so sorry. Aside from that, so I decided on my day off that I would waste my paycheck per usual. I got good deals on this stuff, so yeah. By the way, I got the job. Never updated you guys on that. Got the job at Sephora, so now I've been at Sephora as and I just keep buying a bunch of Sephora stuff that I don't need but want. I decided since I got a bunch of new products that I would just go ahead and do like a first impressions with you guys, even though it's not completely a first impression. Like this is Too Faced's hangover setting spray, and I use this like every day at work, so it's not like completely a first impression. Wait, so I'm gonna do like a I'm just gonna do a face of first impressions. Not a full face, but face of first impressions, okay? Also, the main star of the show is gonna be Huda Beauty Emerald, was it? Emerald Obsessions palette. This isn't a first impressions. I've been using this for like, I don't know, a month now. It's just Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Smells like peaches. It's cute. It's like silicone based, so it's like good for it's silicone based, so it's good for like smoothing out texture, getting in those pores and stuff. It is cooling too. It is like cool when you put it on. And then I'm gonna also use this on my nose to fill in like my nose pores a little extra because they're like a little larger on my nose. So this is the illuminating one. I'll put that on my nose. I've been using this for a while now too. And for foundation, I'm using this Lancome Stick Foundation. My shade's 140 Ivory. Oh, I should take my gum out of my mouth. No. Okay, anyway, I just usually draw like little lines on my face with it. Okay, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender. Bounce it, girl.
Girl, you looks good, want you back that ass up. You's a fine motherfucker, want you back that ass up.
Beauty guru. I got these little clips at Forever 21 for like $1. This top, I can't move my arms because I don't want this to get messed up. So here I'm a little freaking T-Rex for the day. I'm also gonna use Too Faced's Born This Way concealer. I should probably just speed through all of this. This shit's like boring and everyone knows how to do this. So I think I might speed through it.
Beauty school dropout, hanging around the corner store. Beauty school dropout.
Okay. And then for powder, I just use this Tarte Pressed Powder Foundation. I like it for that extra coverage. I know a lot of people are against like liquid foundation, then using like a pressed foundation on top of it, but you know, I don't really care, so. Okay, and now that you look like a egg. Lately for my brows, I went back to Dip Brow. I'm still not that good with using it, but I'm just trying to make myself learn. Little Olivia in high school used to use Dip Brow heavy, and all you fake out there who called me hashtag eyebrow queen in high school, you, because no, my eyebrows literally went out to my freaking hairline, and you know how thick they were? They were like 2 fingers thick. I don't understand why you guys called me eyebrow queen and like promoted that. I'm just jealous bitches like, oh yeah, keep drawing your eyebrows on hella thick, cutie, because you look good, even though you knew I looked bad. So honestly, fake friends, all of you. Just kidding, not all of you, but you know who you are. Okay, so wish me luck.
Missed your midterms and flunked shampoo.
I'm so fake, you guys. I'm so fake. Take her swimming on the first date. I just kidding. This shit.
Bulletproof.
Well, at least you could have taken time to wash and clean your clothes up.
Okay. Hey, that actually looks really good. So, see what I mean? Like, the dip brow takes a little extra effort and love and attention, but like, same. But the outcome is just so much better than the powder. I hate how cute I have to look on camera when I'm doing my eyebrows. Like, I'm like, yeah, because I totally look like this. While I'm doing my makeup on the daily. In reality, I'm like, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that, but nothing is better sometimes. Ding, ding, ding. Once we both said our goodbye.
Billie Eilish as a country singer, oh my god.
I ran out of storage. Okay, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. Okay, I'm using the viewfinder again, so that's good. Now I'm out here looking like a band, feeling like a 10, the best I ever been. And yeah, I know how bad it must hurt to see me like this. This finger's ugly. Okay, let's go to this palette now. I don't know what to do with it though. Like, I don't know what look to do. Look how pretty. Bitch, this is focusing. Focus! Okay, it's not focusing, so that's fine. My brush is really dirty. I'm sorry, all these brushes are really dirty. It's just been like a really rough time. I'm just not having a good time right now. In general, in life, I'm just not having it. So, you know what I'm gonna do? When life gets you down, you just slap on some green eyeshadow. That will solve literally everything. Literally everything. So watch. I'm gonna solve all my problems in this one video. I'm gonna take this shade. I'm just gonna lay that down as like my base like crease shade, and then I'll probably add the greens in as I go. It's like an olive brown shade. I like it. My body's staying vicious. I be up in the gym just working on my fitness. She's my witness. Ooh. That's been stuck in my head all morning. I be up in the gym just working on my in the gym. I'm saying it literally 4 times on camera now. I'll probably cut all of them out, but I'm saying that like 4 times on camera. I'm gonna go into that shade. I'm gonna put that on top of this one with a little fluffy brush. Okay. Okay, Emerald. Okay. Okay, this blend job over here is not my best work, I will say. This is not my best work. That looks like but I'll fix it later, don't worry.
One short day in the Emerald City. Na 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 in the Emerald City.
First, I'm gonna put down this ColourPop gold highlighter on my eyelid just to like give it something kind of like to stick to, I guess. Oh my god, I don't know which shimmer to lay down. I kind of almost want to use some of my Norvina palette. I think I want to use this rose gold. So I'm gonna use that one, and then I'm gonna put one of the greens on top of it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Should I zoom up for this? I probably should have done this earlier. But yeah, I like this rose gold. Okay, I'm gonna start with that. Okay, now I'm gonna pat on this dark green shade. I'm gonna do that on this outer part of my shimmery eyelid. Wow, and it looks like wow, good. 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 Now I'm gonna take that light green, and I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it somewhere, so I'm gonna play with it for a second because I'm not sure. So I ended up putting it just in the middle, so it's like the rose gold, the green, and then like the dark green kind of. That kind of was a flop, but I'm putting eyeliner there anyway, so that's why I'm not really like focusing too much on that little shit show right there. This is gonna be my first time using Fenty's eyeliner. I can't do this on camera right now. Okay, so I just did the rest of my winged liner off camera, and I did my eyelashes too just because it was gonna take a while and I didn't need my camera to die on me or run out of storage or something. I think I'm gonna put like a white eyeliner in my waterline if I can find it. I found it. It's just the NYX Wonder pencil, and it's just like an off-white white. So I'm gonna use that in my waterline. I put that main green shade that's in my crease. I'm gonna put that under my eye too on this small little brush. And then I'm gonna take that light green shimmer that we had earlier, and I'm gonna put it like in my inner corner. Okay. Last but not least, for the eyes, I'm going to do mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I'm going to be using the Perversion mascara by Urban Decay today. So, there we go. And so what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to, as carefully as possible, apply the mascara so it doesn't clump on the bottom lash line, okay? Okay. And if it clumps, then you're a okay? That was a joke, by the way. I was completely kidding. Oh my god, I was kidding. Okay, so the eyes are done, and now all I'm gonna do is, oh, by the way, the eyelash, I forgot to even tell you what eyelashes I'm wearing. Tarte has some like foam ink eyelashes, and I'm using the ones, they're called Baddie. Baddie. Look at this redness. I scratch really easy because I'm pale as frick, okay? Just gonna use my Hoola bronzer per usual. Also, yeah, I'm aware it's past Christmas, but it's not New Year's yet, so I'm just gonna leave it up. And also, I haven't cleaned my room yet, so why would I have taken my tree down if I haven't cleaned my room yet? So, yeah, it's gonna stay up probably for a good while. Again, I don't really know how to nose contour. I don't know if I do it right, but I just do it to fit me, so no judge. And then I'm gonna take my NARS blush in, I don't want to say it. Yeah, so. And then whatever's extra on the brush, just run it on the tip of my nose. And up here a little bit. And I'll blend it out. For highlight, I'm going to start off with my Becca highlighter in Opal. And then I'm actually going to take from my Aurora Anastasia highlight palette, I'm going to take the white shade called Luna. I'm just going to like add Luna just on the very, very, very top of my cheekbone, just for that extra like pop of definition. And then I'm going to take Luna down my nose. Oh my god, speaking about noses, can you guys guess I am 1 year post nose job? Ah! Oh my god, I am 1 year post nose job. Oh my god, look, I can move it. Like I can do, it's not swollen anymore, it's all healed. I can, it's my normal, it's like a normal person's nose now. It's not like swollen, puffy, soft. When it was swollen, it was literally soft to touch. It was disgusting. Now it just feels like a normal nose, and I can move it around. I can do normal nose things. Okay, and I'm also gonna add Luna on my eyebrow bone. And now I need a lip color. Maybe I should just do a gloss, because this is intense. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to use my Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. It's infused with coconut water, so it's like super hydrating. You can use that as a primer, you can use it to set, and then you can use it to refresh. And I do that Like, this isn't my first time using this. It's because I use it when I'm at work, like, every time. So I'm just gonna, wait. Okay. It was a new spray, so I need to make sure it wasn't gonna, like, on my face, and it would have. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Okay. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really freaking love this Emerald Obsessions palette. I love it for my eyes so much. I'll do a close-up. Yeah, it looks so good. I am like freaking, I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this eye look right now. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I literally am obsessed. I'm obsessed with these eyelashes. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow. Oh my god. Dude, it looks so good. Wow. Do you ever just get like, honestly, so amazed with yourself sometimes? Like, oh my god. It seriously looks so good. Oh my god. I'm not gonna wear anything else for the rest of my life. Okay, the green eyeshadow helped all my problems, solved everything. My life's a mess, but the green eyeshadow is definitely making everything a lot better. Just kidding. Of course, my camera died on me, so I'm just filming this outro on my phone. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, like the video. If you have something to say something in the comments. Preferably something nice. Just stay tuned for the next video. I'm not really sure what it's gonna be. My content is not really stabilized right now. I don't really know what kind of videos I like to make. So it's probably just gonna be another few random covers. I got a new microphone for Christmas, so I'm gonna be doing some new covers with that. Yeah, I'm really bad at outros, so I'm just gonna leave it at that, I guess. Okay. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.